courtesy of my beloved Manikaw nga nag-aatyak sa katungbuon ug angay matitugya. Galbo kini, Manikaw!
Sa barangay nga nagkahiusap para sa kalampuon. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. I am Mikey Hebron Bangali 19, representing the Ohong Festival of Barangay Nagatan!
Gentlemen, tonight we are gathered here to celebrate the most vibrant festivals in Negros Oriental, the Cebu Festival.
A festival that makes Cebulan special. Representing the historical festival of Cebulan, Cebu Festival.
Jacob Ortiz Chua.
And I am Ivan Estrada,
representing the historic festival of Cebulan, Handura Festival.
Together, let us explore the beauty of Barangay Maslo,
where culture and nature comes to life.
This is your Maslo King, Chandler, Rabato, Bubong.
And this is your Maslo